artisans have crafted our culture of India. Still, many artisans fail to sell their products. The main problem is that they cannot reach the customer directly. They have to rely on middlemen who takes 40 to 60% of the profits. With these minimal incomes, they fail to provide for their family. After this, the second problem is that they have limited market access. Uh, they can't sell anything outside of their village borders.
We recognize these barriers as a clear need for innovation. So, we have created an online store that connects the local artisans directly to the customers. Here, the artisans can add their product, and if the customer likes it, he buys it. So, it's a very simple process. The artisan just needs to log in onto our website and create a digital store. Then he can upload an image with a description onto our website so that the customers can see it. After that, we have integrated cash on delivery payment method because this payment method built trust amongst everyone across India.
We have streamlined the entire process in 5 simple steps, ensuring smooth journey. Artisan registration, a simple sign-up with a basic verification of their craft category and type and region. They create their storefronts in minutes. Product upload. Using their regular smartphone, they photograph their picture and add a detailed description and pricing. They can create their product and upload it on our website. Customer discovery. Borrower browse the marketplace. The product appear in relevant searches by craft type, region, and artisan. Instant transfer confirmation. The order is placed and the artisan receives an immediate notification confirming that the order is placed for cash on delivery. And order details are shared with both parties. Fulfillment feedback. The artisan ships the product and our platform gives delivery status tracking and real-time update. The customer is informed about every step. This builds trust between the artisan and the customer.
Now, let me show you a small demo of how our website works, how an artisan can upload his products, and a customer can order the products.
Success of this platform is not about sales, it's about making our artisans independent. By making these handmade products online, we ensure users 24 by 7 service. Buyers will get products like pottery, weaving, metalwork, etc. This will grow our economy as well as we make own crafts, sell globally and stop making us be depend on others.
We are enabling growth of local artists and transforming them into digital entrepreneurs and allow access to global market translates directly into stable income, allowing craftsperson to invest their hard-earned money in better material, tools, and trainings. Success story inspire entire village and creating local employment and reducing urban migration. Together, let's build a truly self-reliant India.